Today was such an exciting day. I stepped into the enchanting realm of scary cosmetics, and oh boy, what a treasure trove awaited me there! Are you ready to delve into my delightful haul? Let's dive right in. Behold my latest addition, a splendid round hairbrush, elegantly named Brushing. This is brushing. But that's just the start. Imagine the enchantment of a CC cream, a delicate hue that's as light as a feather. And then, there they are, the hair styling wonders. Keratin glaze in the mesmerizing forms of number 6 and number 7. The first, a creamy elixir with an irresistibly pleasant texture and a scent that dances through the air. And the second, a gel-like potion that promises hair mastery. Here is my secret ritual. I lovingly apply the creamy elixir to my freshly washed locks while they're still damp, as if bestowing a gentle embrace. Then, once my hair transforms into a canvas of delight, I work my magic with a gel-like potion, coaxing my hair into its final form. A symphony of care for my naturally frizzy curls, ensuring they stay far from the clutches of chaos. Oh my dear tresses, they tend to lean toward the dry side, a fact I address with products that shower them with nourishment and love. Enter a divine creation from Glysker, a remedy crafted to tame the rebellious tangles and make combing a breeze. Trust me, my heart sings as I glide through my hair, each stroke a testament to the power of self-care. And now an unassuming hero enters the stage, the Rexona Roll-On Deodorant. Deceptively simple, it conquers with its subtlety. Oh, what's this? A collection of makeup brushes that caresses my skin like a gentle breeze. While makeup remains untouched by these brushes, they have found their purpose in massaging my cares away. Aren't they just the epitome of cuteness with their fluffy charms? But wait, there is more! A daring transformation awaits. as I embrace a darker shade for my hair. No more uneven tones. This time it's all about embracing a lush and consistent hue. The allure of dark tresses has always captured my heart, and now it's time to let my locks speak the language of elegance. Oh, the shadows of yesteryears! They've journeyed with me through countless looks, a loyal companion in my pursuit of beauty. Worn and weathered, they stand as a testament to time. Alas, my attempts to replicate their magic with new shadows fell flat, like stars that lost their shimmer. A mishap, a fall, and a box that gave in. Evidence of my unexpected misstep. But fear not, for today heralds the arrival of new shadows, their similarity to the old and homage to cherished memories. Yet I hold back, for the anticipation is too sweet to resist, a promise of allure yet to unfold. Neutral Shades Palette. Colorful Eyeshadow Palette. Shimmering Metallic Palette. Smoky Eye Palette. Blendable Eyeshadow Palette. Warm Tones. Bold and Vibrant. Gradient Eyeshadow Palette. Multi-Purpose Palette. Travel-Sized. Now behold the elegant manicure set that has graced my collection. Among its treasures are cuticle nippers, the tweezers proving their mettle with their deft closure. And don't forget the iron nail files. As the day draws to a close, I find myself basking in the glow of satisfaction. And, my dear viewers, I trust that amidst this delightful tapestry of experiences, you've collected a trove of English words, enriching your linguistic palette. Until next time, may your days be as vibrant as the shades we explore. See you soon!